Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. My husband's picked this up from the post office because we both have the same initial. We're both C. Bradshaw, and we had a card through the door even though I was at home. I was in the craft room and it's in the garden, and I have my phone on, and if he pressed the bell I would have heard it, but he only knocked the door. So he took it back to the post office. I've been waiting for this. I didn't realise it was mine. My husband thought it was his. So he went to pick it up. But oh my goodness, it's everywhere is sellotaped. It is just so well wrapped. It's taken me ages to get it open. So I haven't even looked at what's in there yet. Oh my goodness, quite a lot. Oh, there you go. So that's some of the sellotape. Every single inch is sellotaped. So wow. Okay, let's just take a look. Now she did tell me, you see, I knew I should have looked before I turned the video on. She did say that she'd forgotten to put the card in, and I can't remember who it is, so hang on, let me have a look. Look how beautiful she ties bows. Oh my goodness, that is just so... Oh, it's a oh my goodness, I love these pegs. I use them like that, and I put a card in them in class, but I never decorate them. Oh, I love it. Thank you. That is so cool. Wow. And your box and your bow are amazing. Right, so look at this washi tape, glitter tape, lovely. And that's from, I don't know, it doesn't say where it's from, so you can't. Another, oh, Velcro. Candles, oh how cute. Bet they smell, yeah, they smell all Christmassy. How lovely is that? So she managed to get 8 candles in there. How nice is that? Oh, I like that idea. Might have to pinch that. And then we've got some of these chocolates that they keep advertising on the telly. Seahorses, Belgian chocolates. They'll be nice. And then, aha, this is what we're here for, the pocket letter. Now, how do I open it? Maybe just slide it off. Look at the size of that bell. Hang on. Look at that. Love it. Oh my goodness. This is just going to be, and it's all together with this peg. That's cool. Look at this. That is just so, look, little gingerbread men in an envelope. How cute is this? Look, there's a tag. I wonder why we say ho ho ho. We don't just go ho ho. I thought this the other day when I was making boxes. Look at all those sequins. Wow, in that shaker bit. And there's another tag with a cute penguin in that's been coloured in. How cute. Oh, I love that dear. Now, turn it over, and oh my goodness, I've got some little tiny bells in a lovely little packet. How cute is that? Oh, your ideas are just amazing. Some beautiful red twine. Some bows, some snowflakes, they're just lovely. Oh, candy cane, and there's the gingerbread men. So there's the little gingerbread men, and that's like one of the envelopes. And there, thank goodness for that, she's put a sticker. Thank goodness for that, Sue. Handmade by Sue Briggs, YouTube channel, Little Sue, Crafty Beginner. Thank goodness for that, because I hadn't remembered until I started the video. I love these. These are like foam They are so nice. Wow, I love it. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. I've decided cute is the way to go. I like cute. Right, now we're on to the last one. Look at this. So, I never know how to do this. Hang on. There you go. Look at that. Very nice twine. Put it back. I like to put it back straight away so I know where it came from. And then some stickers. And a big snowman. He's a foamy one again, but look at these stickers. Oh, I just love those. I love snowmen. They're so cute. Thank you so much. It's so nice of you. I hope you like yours now. I can't remember what I put in yours now, but I hope it's enough because this is just so much. That's the problem with swapping. I think sometimes have I put in enough? Oh my goodness, look. Oh, there's an elf and there's Father Christmas and there's some wreaths. So look, there's one wreath. Take out the middle and you've got the wreath. Look, how cool is that? And some really glittery Christmas trees. Love them. Love them. That's quite a lot to put back in that one. Right, so Sue, thank you so much. I'm so pleased you put your sticker on there for me. That's really clever. I love the shaker in the middle. I love the glitter down here. I think on yours I did actually cover this. So, and I made some of these tassely things. I love them. They are so, oh look, there's a little bell there as well. Oh, I missed that. And even just the peg with the Christmas tree, it's just also lovely. It's just so, I love it. Thank you so much for swapping with me, and I can't believe what I've got. I've got chocolates, I've got candles, I've got washi tape, and I've got this amazing peg that I will be using, and I've got all these embellishments. So thank you so much. I hope you love yours. Take care, and I can't wait to swap with you next time. Bye.